Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel.
And today we're unboxing this
Members Mark Premium Bathroom Decor Set from Sam's Club. So this one is the soap dispenser. There's toothbrush holder, soap holder, and curtain, and the liner, and the holder. It's called the dusty blue color. Super nice.
dusty blue. Sounds like nice. That's a nice blue. Oh.
Is the liner. It is thicker than your regular liner that you can buy at Walmart. So I don't think it's clear. It's like frosted. And there's some magnets in the bottom. So I'm gonna try to hang that later on the tub. And I'll show you the final outcome. And this is the included liner. It's made of cloth. It's cloth material. It's not like plastic. So you can wash it. And it matches the whole set. So let's get that. So here's it, guys. It's done. That's the final look. And this is the free. So this is the Members Mark Premium Bathroom Decor Set. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.